here a straightforward main focus is here. Straightforward main focus is the price. Okay, what price is doing, that's more important. I am not having any fancy slides of 10, 15, 20 ka slides. Okay, I basically what I'm doing is, okay, just a minute. One more, let me share. If some of you are facing issue in joining, right, let me share one more link that will be more comfortable if anyone is not able to join. Okay, I have paused my screen for a minute. Sure, great. Okay, so today's session will be mainly focusing on the voice on the price action. What is happening on the price action? That's our main focus on today's session. Okay, so for the price action, because many traders follow price action, many are more like, sir, I am following price action, but still not able to make money, or still facing issue in the understanding the price, etc., etc. There are many concerns, many queries generally comes in. It's a common scenario which comes into play. So first of all, I will tell you my roadmap to share knowledge, because last free webinar was on VWAP. Now it is on price action. There are more and more CPR, trend following, and many more webinars, breakout trading, free webinars are there to come. Okay. So now when it comes to price action, again the same question come, why price moves? Okay. This question I have also asked in my last VWAP session. I am repeating the question again. Why? Because this is very important. This is very important in understanding, first of all, why and how price moves. So that will give us a big picture, big idea about the general price momentum in the market. First of all, there are only three possibilities. Okay, so those who joined the last session, this topic, this concept will not be new to you, but still just stay on the session. We'll have various examples and concepts which will be discussed throughout the sessions. Okay. So there are only three basic ways in which price moves. Okay, either one-sided up or one-sided down. Okay, this is one way in which price moves. Second way is a narrow range sideways ka market. Price is stuck within a very tight range. Okay, and the third one is this volatile, aggressive up and down move in a wide range, not in a narrow range, but in a wide range. So for a directional trader, I will be speaking all the concept in a perspective of directional trader. So it can benefit all type of traders, like option buyers can do directional trading, option sellers can do directional trading, future traders can do directional trading, cash market traders can do directional trading. Okay. So for a directional trader, this is enemy. For a directional trader, this tight range of sideways market is always an enemy. But in a one-sided market or a volatile market with wide range, that will give an up move and down move. Both the moves are possible when it comes to this wide range volatile market. Sir, I have repeated again and I'm repeating again. If anyone is facing audio issues, simply rejoin. No point in messaging me on chat box, because from my end everything is fine. Only one or two traders are facing the issue. Okay. So yes, very important common question is, in which direction the price will move. This a common question comes to the every option buyer, seller, future trader, cash trader, everyone. Okay. So in this case, let's quickly move on to the chart. Today, as I mentioned, I'll be very less using any slides. I'll be more into playing the market replay. Okay, so that will give an idea of what is happening on the market. Data points to check charts. That is, there are very simple ways, and we are not much into complicated stage of trading. Trading will make it very simple in understanding the price action with full almost 2.5 hours, 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay, so in this 2.5 hours, 2 hours 40 minutes, my main work is to show you an example of various chart replay. Okay, various chart replay that will give you an better idea, better picture of the how price is moving. Okay, so there are only two stages. One is failure price, whether buyers or sellers are failing to move the price up or down. And one more thing I will tell you, when it comes to price action, there are only two things, sir. The buyers and sellers are in the market, no one else is in the market. Okay, only buyers and sellers are into the market. So based on the buyers and sellers, the price moves. If buyers are failing, sellers will dominate. If sellers are failing, buyers will dominate. Just this is looking very simple. The concept is looking very, very simple, right? But this is how the market runs. Okay, this is how the price moves. This is how the market reacts. So our main work is to understand what is the behavior between buyers and sellers. Okay, what is the behavior between buyers and sellers, how they are reacting, what is their reaction? That is what real price action is called. Because most traders, what they do, blindly price action means, sir, this is pattern, sir. If this pattern breaks on the upside, I will buy, sir, because this pattern is forming like this. Okay, I'm not telling this is a wrong way of trading, but try to understand this is called pattern trading. This is not called as price action trading. Always remember that. If anyone is thinking, sir, following pattern, following this candlesticks pattern, or following some chart pattern, or just following some like engulfing, candle engulfing, sir, doji formation, sir, that is called as price action. Okay, try to understand that that kind of price action will work on bigger time frame. Let me tell you one more thing before opening the playback chart for intraday trading. I will tell you one thing. Any book you can refer, any good price action book. Okay, just randomly can, if you are not noticed it, you can notice it. Any book which is discussing about price action, or which is discussing about candlesticks patterns, chart patterns, technical patterns, or candle formations, every book examples will be a good book. I'm telling you, will be on bigger time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, but what most retail traders do, try to implement the same concept on 5-minute time frame and expecting the same result. Like for an exam, blindly without even understanding. Yes, we can apply the same concept on a smaller time frame, but where? We can apply the same concept on smaller time frame as per your comfort level, but at around reference level. That will give you an better idea. Blindly implementing everywhere is always an problem. This is the main reason. This is the main reason most traders lose money. Even despite I have mentioned many traders follow price action, but problem comes into picture is when still after using price action, traders are failing in the market. Traders are facing an issue in the market. Have you ever tried to identify, understand why? This is the main reason. The book which is there, which is available on the book, I'm not telling the book knowledge is wrong, definitely no. But what I'm trying to tell you here is that book knowledge are being used on bigger time frame. So if we want to implement any kind of chart pattern, technical patterns, candlesticks patterns, if same thing, if you wanted to implement on a shorter time frame, don't just look at this pattern everywhere or as per the zone you are interested. Look at the pattern more in and around reference levels. Okay, in and around reference level, that is where on a shorter time frame, if you are interested to look, that will help a lot. That will help you to understand what is the broader picture of the market. Okay, now let's straight away move into the chart. As I mentioned, fancy slides I'm not much interested, because I will not want to waste your time by showing some fancy slide, because if it is about price action, it's fully on towards the chart. Okay, so straight away I will open the chart. Now this is one more option which I'll be giving you. On Bank Nifty, on Nifty, you have an option to tell me the dates. Choose the dates, any date. Let me know in the chat box. Just you can answer, type the dates. I'll be running a chart replay, because this chart replay is an alternative for live session. For example, if I'm choosing 16th of August, you can see on my screen 16th of August means what happens on the live market after 16th of August. I will be not seeing anything. I will be not seeing anything. This is applies on the live market, right? For example, if you want 70, if I'm trading on 17th August live market, I don't have any charts, because that is what live market. We don't have any chart on the right side. Charts are on the left side only. Nothing on the right side. Same applies on the chart replay. Okay. So we'll take one by one date. First come, always look at on the first date, one by one, 29th of August. Okay. Let's do a replay of 29th of August. This will be very interesting and very important. So let me tell you. Okay. It will help you a lot. The first date which I got, anyone can share your dates. Okay, anyone can share your date. There's no such restrictions. 29th of August, right? I'm just trying to open 29th of August. Okay, so 29th of August in front of my screen. But as we are doing price action, right? First important thing, what we need to do. First important thing, what we need to do. Just first we need to get, let's say 29th of August date has been told by one of the participants. I don't know. Okay. The date was told by, yes, Mr. Bansuri sir. Okay, fine. So 29th of August, right? So first of all, as we are looking at the market in terms of price action, right? We are more concentrated in terms of price action. So first we need to get data points. First, we need to get data points. I will list out the data points for a price action. Okay, you can have a note on it. Yes, obviously you can have a notepad and pen with you, as I mentioned in the start of the session. Okay, I will use this notepad. Before going on to the date of 29th August, I want to give a note. Okay, you can see, I believe you can see my whiteboard in front of your screen. Okay, I will quickly write it down to make it understand various things. First, before the market opens, if you are into price action trading, always remember we need data from charts. Okay, I'm not speaking anything about open interest here. I'm not speaking about any other concepts. Nothing. From simple candlestick charts, we need data before market opens. What are all the data available before market opens? We have to gather those data. Point number 1. Okay, this is point number 1. Point number 2, very important point, is all about once we gather the data, we need to understand what? Previous days price behavior. Previous days what? Price behavior. Okay, previous day ka price behavior we need to understand. Point number 3. How to understand previous days price behavior? In which perspective we have to understand? We have to understand in a perspective of buyers versus sellers. Clear? Just I'll be initially going slide slow in explaining you one by one data points. Okay. In perspective of buyers versus sellers. Point number 3, very important. Once this above 2 points are what? Before market. This is, we need to do it before market. Let me write it down this also, because that will make you to also note down very easily. This process we need to do before market in understanding the price behavior, right? So before going on to the what we need to do during market, first I will go back to the charts. Same date of 29th August chosen by one of the participants here, right? 29th of August is here. This is 29th of August, market opens. Time is, you could see 9:30, 29th of August, along with the dates you can see here. But before that, what are all the basic free available data which we can gather from previous trading session? Very simple. Previous week high low, previous days high low. First of all, we need to mark, because most traders what they do, they don't mark. Sir, I know where is previous day high, previous day low. Sir, market, let it open, I will see what happens. No, it is not. You are been not paying anything to mark a line, right? It's available for free. So आप mark क्यों नहीं करते हो? Mark the line. This is previous day का low. Okay, previous day ka high. Simple to work, just to plot 2 lines. Now what is weekly high and weekly low? So this is 26th of August, right? If I understand want to weekly high and weekly low, can you see 26th of August is a Friday? So 1 week before is 15th to 19th. Can you see the calendar if I'm not wrong? 26th here want to check the data. Okay. Or probably if we want to check the data as we are looking at the chart of 29th, right? So 29th is the Monday's trading session. Next week come Monday's trading session. Okay, 29th is Monday. So we need to check 22nd to 26th ka high and low. Very simple. So if we just zoom out the chart, what we need to do, 22nd to 26th ka high and low need to be marked. Okay, this is the low, 23rd made a low, high is 26 ka high. So this both are same. Previous day ka high, previous day's high, previous week high, both are same. Okay, there is no difference, both are very same. So now, first of all, jump back on what time frame? Straight away open a weekly time frame. I will tell you to understand the trend. To understand the trend, let me tell you, first we need to open a weekly time frame. Here I am trying to simply do a approach on multi time frame in understanding what is the broader picture, what is the broader trend, because we are doing price action, right? We need to understand broader trend. First, if we don't understand the broader trend and want to execute the trade aggressively, means problems. Very simple. What we need to check in weekly time frame. You might have a question, sir, we are intraday trader. What is the thing we need to check on a weekly time frame? Okay. Very simple. There are two possibilities on a price range. So let's say this is 1 week range. next week if it is clearly trading above, next week if it is clearly trading above, this is weekly range. Okay, this is weekly range every week, 1 2 3. Okay, weekly range. So here what is happening, for a price to aggressively move up in the perspective of price action, what is important, sir? This thing many traders ignore. What is very important? Higher lows, higher high. Higher lows, higher high. This is the foundation concept for price action, which we need to implement and remember every trading session, not 1 day, 2 day, every trading session. For a down move, up completely reverse side. Lower highs, lower low. So here same applies in the comparing with weekly range. What is happening on weekly range? For an example, if we are checking here, as the price is continuously moving up, okay, so just check what is happening on weekly. This 1 week, next week is an inside week, and the third week is trying to move up, fourth week is trying to move up, fifth week it is trying to move up, next moving up. Now remember one thing, in this what we need to check mainly, main important check which need to be done is to check the lows. Forget about highs. First, very important, we need to okay, first of all, few might not know my name. Myself, my name is Nitesh. Okay, so to mark this level, we need to check the entire candle, not body, not only wick, the entire candle range we need to consider. We need to just only minimum check the lows. If the price is trying to move up, trend is up, the low, next week low is higher, next week low is higher, next week low is higher, 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 and higher here, and the first time price, the low is not higher formation, right? Right, so till this point it's fully higher, higher, higher low. So what is the trend, sir? Bullish. That's it. That's it. Simple understanding of trend, because here most traders complicate trends, sir. I am very confused in identifying trend, sir. So I will add super trend in my screen to identify trend, sir. And then I will be adding RSI, sir. And then I will be adding moving average, sir. Okay. And then what I will be doing, I will be adding some other X indicator, sir. So now I can get an idea what is the trend. Why you are complicating? I ask you a simple question. Why you are complicating? If you have a perspective to look in terms of only price action, why you are wasting time here? If you want to trade in the market with the perspective of this indicator, then fine enough, no problem. It's as per your style of trading, as per your comfort of trading, as per your convenient of trading. Because I can't force you, you have to do this, do that only. Because your money, you are trading, your style of trading, your mindset is completely different from the way I trade in the market, the way some other person is trading in the market, right? So in this perspective, if you want to go into price action, simply understand, na, low is shifting higher, so aram se trend is bullish on weekly time frame, right? So same way here, what we have, let me write it down this. Okay, this is what weekly and previous days high, right? This is weekly and previous day ka high. What is this level? Previous day ka low. Okay, I might slide go slow, but concepts have to be understand practically, slowly and steadily only. Okay, and next, what is the level? Yeah, weekly ka low. Clear enough? Weekly low. Okay, fantastic. Three levels marked. Fantastic, clear. So now simple things marked. I'll go back to the whiteboard. What we need to do first, we need the data points from the chart before morning. Sir, data, there are various ways to get the data from previous day's chart or previous trading session. But I'm not making complicated, but first let's understand in a simple way of trading. Then we can add one by one as per the session goes on. Okay. But as of now, things are marked. Next, what we need to do? Who have been taking control in this last trading session? Price moving up, came down, move up, came down, move up, came down, went up. So now I will tell you, I will ask you a question, answer this. Whether on this trading session, whether buyers were in more control or sellers were in more control, or no one was into more control in as per this price behavior, because we have chosen a date of 29th August by one of the participants, right? So previous trading session is 26th of August. Now everyone try to answer this. Very, very important. There's nothing time pass. Straightforward learning question. Who were in control? Whether buyers were in control or sellers were in control, or no one was in control for the entire trading session. Now, if you have answered the question, just open the chat box and see what is the other participants' answer. I'm not asking what happened on end of the day. For the entire trading session, who were in control? No one, sellers were in control or buyers were in control. Just check the answers which is trying to come. Now, after you have answered it, just open the chat box and try to understand what different traders have different perspective on a single chart which is being shown in front of you. Okay. Most common answer was no one. Very few answered sellers. Okay, sellers because of lower low formation. Sellers because of lower high formation. No one was in control. Neutral. No one. Looking range bound, volatile. Fine, fantastic, great. Right now, for a single question, can you see I am getting various answers? I will be showing on stocks examples also, sir. Aram se. Because index now, what in benefit is index has more volatility. Okay, I will tell you, this day was not dominated by anyone. Not dominated by anyone. Both buyers and sellers were not so dominating. I will tell you why. Few might have a question, sir. Lower high is forming, sir. So sellers are only dominated, right? I will tell you. This is where comes into play. In few minutes back, I have told one thing about failure attempt from the sellers. FA. Failure attempt. What are all we need to check in the chart? Failure and exhaustion. Yes, we have lower ICA formation, but always remember, for the full trading session, higher levels, buyers failed, price came below VWAP. Price failed from the VWAP, price came below VWAP. Where is the price? It is dropping down? No, it is not dropping down. It's not even breaking this morning low. Here, this morning low price tried to break, immediately reversed back up. Not even trying to break this morning low. Is the sellers are strong despite lower high formation? I'm telling you, don't go with the patterns. This is also lower high, lower low formation is a pattern. Just don't stick to yourself with a simple pattern approach. Be flexible. Don't go in a pattern approach, sir. I'm not telling you have answered a wrong answer, but I am telling you to understand in a different perspective. I'm not telling if anyone has told sellers are strong, your answer is wrong. No, but I am trying to tell you, think in a logical way. If the sellers were really stronger despite lower ICA formation, rejecting from VWAP, they were not even comfortable to break this low morning low. Okay. And after that, price was more than 1.5 or 2 hours trading below VWAP, but it has not even broken this nearest low. Forget about down. So now practically think whether the sellers were stronger. You will get an answer called no. Here no one was stronger. I will tell you how to understand. Simply once the chart in front of you, the green color line I have plotted here is the VWAP. Yes, you might have a question, sir. This session you are speaking about price action. Now why you are using VWAP? VWAP I am here using to understand the reaction of retail traders. That's it. So in last session, I have discussed more about VWAP. In this session, I'll be using VWAP only to understand retail traders. What a normal common retail trader is doing. My job is done. That's my job in understanding what retail traders are doing. So I have used a VWAP. And also morning price, what made gap up opening, went up, higher level buyers not moving up, price came down, again back to VWAP, again coming down, moving up, again back to VWAP, again back to VWAP, again back to VWAP, again back to VWAP. Always remember, okay, always remember, is in this trading session, can you see how many time price came back, again to VWAP? If a price is aggressively want to move up or aggressively want to move down, hardly price will come back to VWAP 1 or 2 times in a trading session, a minimum maximum 3 times in a trading session. Okay, not more than that. But here, moving up, back to VWAP, moving down, back to VWAP. Everywhere price moving up or moving down, it is coming back to VWAP. Sir, why price comes back to VWAP again and again and again and again? Have you anyone tried to identify the answer for this? Why price comes back to VWAP? Those who have joined the last session, they will know the answer. Price comes back again and again and again and again to VWAP is only because buyers are failing to push the price on the upside, sellers are failing to push the price on the downside. Both the way, no one is confident. That is the main reason. Sellers are pushing the price till this point, but at lower levels, if fresh sellers are not coming in, that means who is left over? Buyers. So they will make the price to back to VWAP. Here the buyers are attempting making the price to move up. If at this zone higher levels, can you see, despite more than 1 hour of trading above VWAP, price is not ready to even break this morning high. That means buyers are coming to push the price up, but where is the follow-up buyers? Fresh buyers are not coming in. That is the reason price again coming back to VWAP. Same continuing for the entire trading session. Okay. So the first stage is done. Before, we need to get data points from the chart. Who is in control, understanding with the previous day, buyers or sellers. So as per the 29 day, nowhere in control, right? Next day, market is opening. First of all, we need to check during live market, during opening, on the price action perspective, where the market is open, at which zone the market is open, at which price level the market is open. I repeat, in an open, there are multiple things to check. Just because market opens, sir, I will jump and take trades. Forget about making money. You will not make money. It can be any trader. First 10-15 minutes, aram se relax. First understand, comparing to the previous trading session, where is the price opening, and if the price is opening somewhere here, what is the location of the price opening? Okay, so here very simple. Gap down opening है, कितना point का gap down है? 1000 points. 1000 points का gap down opening. 1000 points gap down opening means this is not a time pass. Somewhere sellers are there. That is the reason price is opening 1000 point ka gap down. So first information got from the chart during live market on the opening tick. First few minutes sellers are stronger. Okay, for the first few minutes sellers are stronger. Now I will be zooming out my chart. Price is trading here. Okay, at the same zone last time, when the price was trading at the same zone, what was the reaction? Either buyers were in control or sellers were in control. Either buyers were in control or sellers were in control. This is our job which we need to identify. How to identify? Simple, sir. Price is trading somewhere around 38,300 ka levels, right? I'm just zooming out my chart in understanding who are there in control. How to identify? Simply, sir, if price is aggressively moving up, so matlab straightforward a buyer's control पे. If price is aggressively moving down, straightforward who's on that zone, seller's control पे. If price is overlapping like this, both are not in control. That we need to check here because last time price approached here. Simple funda. So in this case, who is in control? Aram se price shooting up, next day shooting up. So here 38,300 say buyers were in control. Okay, and also we have this overlapping zone from which the price started. Matlab, buyers were in control. 38,300 is a point from which this up move started. On this trading session, again we need to check the untested zone, because after price moving up here, first time price is testing 38,300 again. Matlab, this is a first time test. Usko, what I can tell, that is an untested zone, right? So we need to remember what higher level 1,000 point ka gap down. Matlab, what is 1,000 point of gap down is telling? Some selling pressure is there from higher levels. At the 38,300 and below levels, what is there? Multiple layer of buyers. Here buyers push the price up. Even this morning buyers are there. So multiple layer of buyers from lower level. Matlab, what is the information? Lower levels buying zone is there. Buyers interested zone is there. Higher levels gap down ka sellers are there. Okay, simple. Higher level sellers, gap down, lower level buyers. This is the first data which we are getting from the chart. Now what I will do, let me play this chart. आप एक बाय एक इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी आपको मिल रहा है, वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर गेटिंग, write it down in the notepad, sir. Write it down in the notepad. Okay, that is what I told. Have a notepad with you. It's not like, sir, you are just listening. Listening only will not help you. Writing and rechecking the same concept after this session completes, that will help you a lot. Okay, those who are not have a notepad and pen with you, quickly have a notepad and pen with you. I'll give you quickly 15-20 seconds. Just if you have not having a notepad and pen with you, go take your notepad and have a pen with you. Okay, so now first we know lower level buyers are there, sir. Fine enough. But first ye jo gap down opening hai, right? What this gap down sellers are doing, us cheez ko we have to check. How to check that? Very simple. What is happening on the first few candles? Price is opening, closing below VWAP. That's it, right? Just close below VWAP. After that, next candle price is closing above VWAP. One attempt on the downside, again price is closing above VWAP. So kahin na kahin this gap down sellers are not making a follow through. At where? At the buyers interested zone, this gap down opening traders, sellers are not giving a downside follow through despite price closing below VWAP. So information, higher level sellers are there, but from lower levels, these buyers which I have told, they are coming into picture. So now I will play the chart in an 50x ka speed. Okay, just we need to check, is there any reference level also there? No, it's a clear buyer zone, no reference level as of now, with a simple price chart. I'll playing the chart in a 50x speed. You could see the charts are running here, the price is moving here, everything is happening. It's like same the way the live market does, but it is a fast forward way. So now where should be our reaction point? Price is moving up, trying to move up, aram se jane do. Don't chase the market. This one first important thing what traders do is make chasing the market. If anyone is facing any audio issue, anyone is facing any audio issue, all fine, right? Just the chart is being played out right now. Let me pause the screen here. I'm just pausing my screen here. Very simple. What is happening? Green color candle formation. The candles are narrow range candles. Candles are low volume candles. Everything is fine. I agree. But what is happening? First, let's understand the price in perspective of retail crowd, retail traders. What is happening? Price is candle is showing us what color? Green, green and green color candles, right? Now, what retailers will do? Now, we know lower level buyer zone are there, and morning those gap down sellers are not giving any follow through on the downside, and price is slowly straight away trying to move up, right? First important point, I am not ready to chase the market. Let me be honest. I am not a kind of a trader who chase the market. I am just wait, let the clue come into my favor, and then I'll be executing my trade. Time frame 5 minute ka time frame. Very simple 5 minute chart in front of you. Okay, 5 minute time frame chart which is in front of you. Nothing rocket science, very simple. Okay, what is happening here? Narrow range candle formation. So what retailers will do? Can anyone answer after looking at this? I will be answering later on, but I want to know from you, because are you thinking in a perspective of what retailers will do? Because what retailers will do, we should not do the same thing. Here, after looking at this, what retailers will do? Will they go and jump and plan and execute bullish trade, call option buying, shorting the put option, buying the future of Bank Nifty? Yes or no? Just type your answer in the chat box. Just look at the chat box. I'm not telling what you will be trading, sir. I am telling what retailers will do. I'm not telling you will be waiting for a pullback from the VWAP and then rejection, everything fine, understand, agreed. What retailers will do? Jump on executing, planning to take bullish trade, looking at the candle color, right? But what we need to do? What we need to do? We know there is an buyer's interested zone. Price is moving up, fine enough. If we are chasing this price, like the same retail trader, what will happen? Where will the retailers will place stop loss? Below this candle low, below VWAP. That's what retailers will do, right? Simple answer. Retailers place stop loss placing location. Now let me play the chart. Okay, same 50x speed. I think we will be checking various example, 10 to 15 example, but let's see. Okay, I'm playing the chart. Can you see this? The narrow range candles are continuing. Aram se relax karo. Nothing to be in an urgent in executing trade. This is how live market we need to wait. Live market, this is what we need to wait. Many traders will tell you have to wait and trade, wait and trade. Even I have told the various time on my Telegram channel, wait and trade, on Twitter, wait and trade. Iska matlab hai wait and trade. Isko bolte hain actually, this is what also called as wait and trade. Can you see what is happening? I'm just playing the chart in the 50x speed to make it quick in understanding the concept, because basically candles are very narrow range. Okay. Now one thing is very clear, sir. When price is trying to move up, is moving up with a narrow range candle. When price is trying to move down, trying to come back to VWAP, matlab sare retailers late trader ki stop loss, but the move is not faster. The stop loss hunting is also not faster. Price is moving down with a narrow range candle. Now price is in the buyer's interested zone. Only information we have that lower level sellers are not coming, sellers are weak. We have only one clue as of now, that is sellers are weak. That's it. We don't have any other clue. We only have one clue, that buyers are also trying to move the price up, but they are not strongly trying to move up. Sellers are also trying to move the price back to VWAP, but again, nothing is happening, right? Narrow range candle formation. So this is what we as a directional trader, price action, if you're focusing on price action, main job is to wait. Because yahan pe koi bhi confidence nahi hai. There is nothing to confidence. Only information we have, buyer lower level sellers are failing. That's it. Have those sellers, gap down sellers, at which location? In the buyer's interested zone wala location, right? Now, for me, I want 2 or 3 clues to favor that one direction, then I'll be taking my trades along with the risk to reward. Now, what should be our plans? Now, what should be our plan? Because we need to also, if the narrow range is forming, we need to be very caution that there is a possibility of, if the narrow range is forming, there is a possibility of momentum up or momentum down can come in. I'm not telling it will come, but it can come into picture. But for that, we need a plan. Simple. If price is rejecting from the zone aggressively, okay, with a bullish candle, I'll be planning my bullish trade, because higher levels, it's also buyer's interested zone. Basically, sellers who are trying to move down the price, they are not coming up with volumes. And one more thing, not only just because of VWAP, what is this up move? This is the up move, right? In this up move, what is the midpoint of this up move? Probably here. This is the midpoint of the up move, which is also matching here from the VWAP. Can you understand this midpoint? If you are confused here, let me know. Okay, so here I am not much focusing on volume as of now. Okay, with simply first let's understand with the price, because if I add volume, there might be one more confusion which can come into your thought process. First focus on the price. For this morning up move from the low till the high, this is the midpoint which is also coming here. So midpoint of this morning up move and VWAP is matching. So if price started roaming around VWAP, I'll be staying away, because I don't have major clues. Only one clue is here: weakness from the sellers, morning gap down the sellers at buyers interested zone. If price aggressively rejects, I will have a clue that buyers are coming in. That will give me an opportunity to enter trade, because price is in the buyers interested zone, right? Let me make a playback. I will make an 100x speed while I playback. Okay, 100x speed while I playback. Now what is happening? Just we need to check what's the price behavior. Nothing to react. कोई momentum नहीं है. Price is stuck in the first 5-minute range. 100x will be better. So yes, that is what 100x speed. Price is stuck in the first 5-minute candle range. Just look at this. This kind of day, if option buyers are so aggressive, aram se you'll be losing money. Now, I'll be playing back, pausing the chart. What is happening here? Dekh pa rahe ho, what is happening here? Is the prices again started overlapping? So how to understand overlapping, sir? There is one candle formation here. Okay. Next candle is like, let's say, forming like this. Okay. That means the price is 70% inside previous candle. And next candle is fully inside, overlap. If this happens for 25-30 minutes, pure overlapping. Can you see what is happening? Pure overlapping. Are we getting an aggressive rejection? No, we are not getting any aggressive rejection. Only we are getting is this overlapping price behavior. So now what we need to do? Now tell me, will you be in an urgent to take a trade, or will you wait? Gorosel is telling, my friend has lost 50K because doing the trading here, and you have not lost anything because you have attended last VWAP session. No trade, right? You will be waiting minimum. Why you are waiting, sir? Because there is no confidence in the chart. That is what I told you. Just stay on the session for the 3 hours. You will be learning new things. You will be learning different perspective of market. You are waiting for a breakout because there is no follow through is coming. Okay. Great, fantastic. Answers are common now. Now, can you see the answers coming in is common? Few minutes back, when I was asking questions, the answers were separated, different answer. Now things are common. Why? Because there is no confidence. There is no clue from the chart. Let me play this chart in an 100x speed again. If price comes back to VWAP, matlab pure time pass. Pure time pass. Okay, let's see what happens. Price is trying to move up straight away from this point. Even price is moving up now. I'm not an aggressive to take trades. Let me tell you frank. Even here the price is moving up, I'm not jumping to take trade because there are two problems. Where will I place stop loss? If I place stop loss below this, below VWAP, I'll be easily getting trapped because, just pausing the screen for a minute, because by this time retailers are also using VWAP, retailers are also seeing the chart, what they would have seen. Morning green, fine. Price is trading above VWAP. From VWAP, it is rejecting. Price is trading above VWAP. Again, trying to give a breakout. Right? It's trying to give a breakout. So retailers will again climb in, take what? Call option, bullish trade, or shorting the option sellers, shorting the put options. Where they will place stop loss 2 candle below this or below VWAP. Those who are placed below this, they are already got their stop loss at prices around the VWAP. Now let's pay back the chart. Time is almost 1:10 on this session. Let's see what happens. Few more minutes. Let's understand what is the price behavior. Okay, what is happening? Are we getting any moves? Are we getting any moves? Definitely no moves. Price is trying to move up, move down. What is the time is? It's 2 p.m. right? Now, if price comes back to Viva, pura time pass, nothing much to give any such importance in the chart. I'm just look at this. Now I'll pause the screen. Look at this. What is the time, sir? It's almost, can you see here on a top left corner, 2:25, 2:30. Just 1 hour left. Full data sideways. If this is happening, I have a rule. After 2:30 to not execute any trade if this kind of auction is happening. Now, this day what we have done, sir? We have been saved from not taking any random trade, time pass wala trade, because we have only one clue. We know buyers zones are there, but price was trading more and more and more above Viva, but narrow range candles. This is really called what is called wait and trade in the markets. Can you understand this first stage of first chart which we are discussing on price action? It's almost 1 hour easily gone. Time is 11 a.m. Now, quickly, let me know any other dates, random dates where I can make a playback, because this date we had no trading opportunity. I had no trading opportunity to execute trades. Let's see any other dates. Any other dates, let me know where we can check. If you are getting any opportunities. Okay, there are many dates which is trying to come. So common date which is coming in is, first let's understand 23rd of July. Okay, 23rd of July. Yes, everyone's date will be addressed one by one, sir, because traders are there. Okay. So I have to take traders ka date, various dates. So let's go to 26th, 23rd of July, right? 23rd of July. Okay. 23rd of July. सर जी डेट बता रहे हो 23rd of July तो सैटरडे है सर. डेट तो सही तरह से बताओ सर. Okay, let's take any other dates. Okay. 30th of August is one more date which I've got many times. So 30th of August, let's see. 30th of August. The next trading session, right? Okay. Okay. Just a minute. I'll pause my screen here. So first of all, for the next 30th of August, we have choose the date, right? Next day, this was the common answer which I was getting. Next trading session. Before that, what we need to check? Simple. We need to get data from the chart before market opens. What is this? This is the high, and we have a low here. This is the low, right? So it was a narrow range. Previous day was no one dominated, which we are discussing from the past few minutes. So straightforward, we need to check what is the open behavior, where is the price. Okay, price is opening above previous day's high, and also price is opening in the zone where it is opening, and this is the zone from which buyers shooted the price aggressively towards upside, right? So price is opening here. In the first few minutes, what's happening? Price is trying to shoot up, right? So now next nearest level is what? We have this untested zone. So next nearest untested is this low. This is the low which was untested, which is approaching for the very first time, right? So this is the nearest reference level available, because this previous day high is far enough, previous day low is very far enough. So nearest available location or the reference level is what? This 2 days, 3 days, 25th August ka untested high, right? Untested low, sorry. So let's play back the chart in a 50x speed initially and understanding, because we know still prices in the buyer's interested zone only. So aram se will play back the chart. Nothing to be in an urgent. Price is at where? At this reference level, 2 days, 3 days back, untested low. Just relax. What is happening around the price? First, we need to understand around the reference level what is happening. Around the reference level, can you see this low confidence, narrow range wala candle formation around the reference level? Yes, no. What we need to do again, sir? Do we need to be in an urgent in executing trades? 101% no. Right? Aram se wait. Let's understand what's happening. Okay. Now, what should be our plans? I'll pausing this play. What should be our plan after seeing this narrow range formations? Either let the price come back to VWAP, below VWAP, let it get rejected. This should be the one available plan. Next, one more plan, let the price cross this previous day's range, let it trade above it. This should be a second plan. Let the price cross, give a pullback rejection. That will be my third plan to execute any bullish trade. Why I am here focusing only on bullish trade? Number one, price opening above previous day's high, forming an open low, price is trying to shoot up. Point number one. Point number two, price despite narrow range, price still it is trading above VWAP. Buyers can, there is some buyer, that is the main reason price is still trading above VWAP. Point number three, I am waiting for it is because price is trading around this 2 days back low to understand what buyers are doing. If two clues is already there, morning buyers. Okay, now to execute the trade, we need a better understanding. Because of this narrow range, more retailers will participate. When more retailers are participating, what is our job? Just stay away, wait for a good opportunity. Let the retailers get trapped and then execute trade. Because why I'm speaking about trap here is, can you see this green color candle? This is a sharp, big, bullish green color candle sharp with open low sharp. Retailers will start taking their bullish position already. Where? Above this candle. Okay, let's play the chart. Let me play in an 100x speed. Okay, so यहाँ से price is shooting up. Fine, nothing to worry. Don't be in an urgent. I am not in an urgent because I know higher levels beyond this. Just a minute. Yes, beyond this level also price trying to reject it up towards upside. Aram se wait karo. Don't chase the market. I repeat, don't chase the market because price was in a narrow range for more than 1 hour. Okay. If I'm aggressively chasing the market around reference level, around this 2 days back a low, price was even struggling to close above this 2 day back a low, right? So So how can I jump and take a bullish trade? No. Aram se wait karo, moving up, let it go. Let's understand. I'm just pausing this video again here. I'm just zooming out the chart. The next nearest zone is what? This is the zone, right? How the price is reacting here will be important, because from this point also price aggressively shooted back up, right? So far not taken any trade, but let's see. I am not in an urgency. Now I'm just pausing again. Here again price aram se started trading above it, right? So here from this point, if price trying to approach this zone, which is here, if we are getting any rejection from this point, an aggressive bullish rejection, I'll be taking my trade aram se only until price is trading above this reference level, that is 2 days back ka low again. Okay, or else relax. Just let's understand. I'll be playing as the chart has been played on an 100x speed only. Now check what's this candles. Narrow range candles are getting developed. Narrow range candles आराम से develop हो रहा है. Just relax. The narrow range are continuously developing here. Yes, price is trying to make a breakout, but to make a breakout, it's taking how much candles are? From this point to this point is not even 100 points. To make a rejection 100 points, it's taking 15 minutes, 20 minutes ka candle. Can you understand? 15-20 minutes ka candle means what? So much time to move just 80 points in Bank Nifty. To move 80 points in Bank Nifty, if there is volume momentum, it will take just few seconds. It's taking so much time here, right? Relax. It's a future chart only. Moving up, relax. Here, just let me pause this. Pause the screen here. Let me slightly go back. Yes, till this point. Here, I'm again zoomed out the chart. Now, here, what's happening? Price is getting a small rejection. Here, the sideways action. Again, trying to move up in this zone, right? Now, let me play this chart. We'll closely understand the price here. Now, one more attempt, minor price is forming and kind of an inside scenario play, which is getting developed. Okay. Now, again, price trying to move towards upside, right? So, this is very important. Now, I will be asking you, can I chase this price and execute my trade? Bullish trade? Yes, no? Just type your answer. Can I chase this price and take a bullish trade? Yes or no? Many common answer. Can you see what is getting is few are telling yes, few are telling no. So here is the confusion starts. Okay. Confusion starts. Yes, this was the answer I was expecting, which I got from Santosh sir. RR is not favorable. Sir, if you are chasing the price, what most traders have a problem is, if they are seeing the move, like price morning trying to slowly move up, again moving up, not taken any trade, they become forceful. They become forceful. Why? Because forceful to execute, want to capture every tick, every move of the market. That is the problem. Okay. Don't think, sir, price moved up, sir, I have not taken any bullish trade, sir, I have missed the trade, sir. Don't worry about it. Don't have a regret mindset. Okay, I have not taken the trade, sir. Sir, Bank Nifty today went up, sir. I have not taken any trade, sir. I am not a good trader, sir. Don't do that mistake. Always, I am telling you. Here, what is happening, sir? A ganta, 1.5 hours narrow range formation. 1.5 hour narrow range formation. Price trying to move up. 1.5 hour narrow range formation. Price trying to move up. So here, where will you place your stop loss? Will you place your stop loss below this, below this, below VWAP? Below VWAP will give 300 point stop loss. Will you place? No. Right below this and below this is stop loss. I'll be not taking a trade. No problem if you miss a move. I will tell you why you are doing random trading. Why most traders do random trading is getting attracted by this candle color and thinking, sir, from morning price is moving up, sir, I have not taken any trade. Why you have not taken a trade? Because वहां पे कोई confirmation नहीं है sir. ये narrow range पे एक दो candle moving up, narrow range 1, 2, 3 candle moving up means what? Do we have any confidence? Where will you place your stop loss? Your stop loss and retail stop loss will be same, sir. Will you place stop loss below this, below this, below this? Right? Nothing. आराम से you are missing a move. आराम से let it go ना. कोई urgent नहीं है sir. There is nothing an urgent. I will tell you. यहाँ से price is moving up. Let it go. I repeat, let it go. Don't be in an urgent to take trades. Okay. Here slowly narrow range again trying to move up. Right? Here multiple questions started popping up, sir. Price is moving up, sir. Why we have not taken it? And I am say relax to karo, sir. Here is this is what the problem. 5-minute ka time frame. This is the main problem of a retail. Urgent to take trades. Now, first time price is trying to come back down with a bearish candle. If from here, if price aggressively reversing back, then I'll be taking my trades. Okay, because higher levels, this is weekly high. Okay, and this is some consolidation zone. Price trying to move down. If here in this sellers are there from higher levels, if this sellers who are trying to come, this higher level sellers who are trying to come, if it's been easily digested by the buyers, then I'll be using that as my opportunity to execute trade. But remember one thing, you should not chase them. You should never chase them. If you miss a trade, no problem, but you should not chase the price. Okay. I repeat, you can miss a move, but don't chase the price just because looking at candle color. Don't execute the trade. Always look market in perspective of where you are placing a stop loss. How much is your risk? Look in that perspective, then execute trade. Don't be in an urgent. Okay. Don't be in an urgent to execute trades. Here, look at this. Here, look at this. Price is trying to move down. Fine enough. Those sellers who are trying to come in here. Okay. I wanted this immediate rejection from these buyers who are slowly, steadily, but aggressively trying to move the price up. Why I am more interested here is because this down move would definitely trigger retailer stop loss who were chasing this price, who are in the mindset, sir, I missed this trade, sir, I have not taken any trade, sir, price is moving up, sir, green color candle formation, sir, aggressively moving up, sir, I am unable to take the trade, sir, I have missed the trade, sir. What they will do? Chase. This is everything will run in trader's mind, sir. Everything will run in the trader's mind. Time is not 2:45, it is 2:17 in this clock. On this session, time is 2:17. Right? Now, this is where I will make it as my opportunity to execute trade, because there is a trap. Retailers stop loss triggered, aggressively price trying to move up. So this is where above this candle, as the chart is in 100x speed, so it's fast. Above this candle, I will execute my bullish trade, placing stop loss below this. Placing stop loss below this, I'll be executing my trades. Okay. And one more thing, one more mindset retailers have, sir. Market opened here, sir. From this point, Nifty is showing 800 points up, sir. And we are getting bearish candle, sir. We will take put option. Retail mindset. Reverse mindset. Udit sir has clearly, I have even forgot that Udit sir has remembered me. Reverse mindset. Right? Why I am taking entering trade here, not here, and here? Because we had narrow range candle, and then moving up. Narrow range candle moving up. After that, green color candle. So more green color candle, more retailers will participate in chasing the price. I am not ready to chase the market, as I mentioned already. Here, price trying to move down. How to identify, is this really a trap? If the move is trap, immediately in next few minutes price will reverse back. If the upside move is trap, immediately price will reverse back. Then it is called as just a trap move. Here price is trying to move down, immediately reversing back up. In this down move, looking at red candle, retailers also will take a short side trade in expectation, sir, Bank Nifty from open it is up by 800 points. Now it will not move up. Super power traders, those are. Right? So this is where above this candle, I'll be executing my trade, placing stop loss below this candle low with 10 points of buffer. So what is my stop loss? What is my entry? And in what perspective, in what angle, in what way we can enter it, I will let you know. In future, above 38,442, stop loss 38,340, 100 point per stop loss. In what are all the ways in which a trade can be entered? 38, above 38,441, right? So matlab, if I am doing option buying, what is my nearest ATM is 39,400, right? So I will be entering more on towards in the Manika call option, 1 or 2 strike price away, either 39,200 or 39,300. I will be entering if I am doing option buying on the call option side. If I am doing option selling, ATM ka put option, I will short ATM put option. If I same stop loss below this candle low. Okay. How to place stop loss in the option? Just check the time of the candle. On the same time, which strike price you are choosing, below that candle low, you can place your stop loss. That's it. Simplest way. Okay. Simple. Let's understand. 39,440, right? 100 point ka risk maine liya. Where is the higher levels? What are the higher levels are there? Weekly high is very close. So my job here is entering above this candle line. My job is first check how the price is reacting around the nearest reference level, that is weekly high. So now 39,440 I have taken my trades. Above that, my 1:1 risk, 1:1.5 risk reward comes around where? 39,590, right? 39,590 I am getting my 1:1.5 ka risk reward, and 1:2 ka risk reward I am getting at 39,640. Okay, this is 1:1.5, 1:2 ka risk reward. Before that, I need to check what is the price behavior around the previous weekly high, which is the reference level. Let me play the chart. Let's see what happens. Price is approaching the weekly high, but we need a clear close above weekly high for an up move. The close is not coming in. That is always an struggle. Still, the close is not coming in. Look at this. Look at this. Price. What is the time here? It's 2:55. right? Almost 3 p.m. We are doing intraday, just 30 minutes left. Price is tagging 39,590. So I am getting my 1:1.5 ka risk reward. Can you understand why I'm telling what is 1:1? Okay, 1:1.5 ka risk reward as tagged me, and time is almost 3 p.m. just 30 minutes left. I am a kind of a trader who don't want to do stunt by holding a trade post 3 p.m. because after 3 p.m. 3, 3, 5, 3, 10, 3:15, what is the time there? Intraday, automatically broker will square off your all the positions which is holded on intraday. So here I have got my 1:1.5 risk reward. I'll be booking my profits here because of time limit, or else I would have waited till 1:2, but here because of time constraint I book my profit at 1:1.5. Okay, so now I will make a rollback of this, what happened with the pure price action. Why I was entering somewhere here, not here, not here, not here, and not here. First of all, narrow range candle. Do we have, just now make a follow through, just quickly answer all the questions which I'm asking right now. This will give you a clue why I was waiting so long. Okay, you might be slightly confused, just relax. So long, I will go one by one, make a walkthrough of it, why I was taking the late trade very far away. Okay, narrow range formation. Can we take a trade here? Do we have any confidence to take a trade here? Yes or no? Just quickly type your answers. We'll make a follow through and then we will move to next chart. Okay, now you will understand what is the real approach. Sir, just quickly answer the questions, only questions which I'm asking right now. Narrow range candle formation. Do we have any confidence to execute trades? Yes or no? We have buyers interested zone. Fine enough. No, right? You can check your chat box. Traders are answering no, right? Two candles shooting up, again sideways co-action around this reference level. Now tell me, do you have any confidence to execute trade here? Yes or no? Just follow, answer the questions. You will get an idea what is I am trying to do here. Okay. So now what retailers are doing here at this point? Year and year, retailers are just chasing the market, chasing the price and executing trades. With where retailers will place stop loss, if I also go and chase the price below this low, below this low, below VWAP. So we will also be forcefully placing stop loss in that location only, right? If you are entering here, if you want to place stop loss far away, it becomes very difficult, right? Even back. Just type yes in the chat box if my voice and screen is clear enough. We are back from the break. Okay. Voice and screen both are clear enough. Fantastic. Okay. All great. Fantastic. So next, is choosing strike price, very simple concepts. Okay. Let's say if you want to enter above 39,440. Okay. So nearest ATM is 39,400 ka strike price, right? So very simple. If I want to take a bullish trade on option buying, I'll be choosing one or two strike price away. That is either 39,300 or 39,200 ka call option. If I'm expecting price to move up, if I'm expecting price to move down, I'll be choosing one or two strike price away, either 39,500 or 39,600 ka put option to plan my option buying trade. Simplest way in choosing the option strike price. Okay. So let's choose any other dates. Yes, tell me any other dates where we can run a playback. So here on every single dates you are choosing, you are learning something new in terms of price action. Okay, you are learning in something new in terms of price action. Sir, choose a date clearly. Okay. 13th, sir, any one day, tell me any one day, don't tell me the entire week. Okay, I'm getting a date more on 4th of August. Okay, let's choose 4th of August. 4th of August, where was the price? Okay. Okay, 4th of August, let's choose the date. 4th of August was told by Prashant sir. Okay. So I'm just randomly choosing a date which is coming from the chat box. Okay. So don't mistake me. I have not chosen your date or any other person's date. Okay. Let's open parallel 30-minute time frame. It does. Please let me load 400 days. Okay. So now what is the date told from one of the participants is 4th of August, right? So as per this date, one day before, this was the previous day ka high, previous day ka low, right? Fine enough. And now, very important is, to understand where is the price, what's happening. Okay, on the last trading session, who are in control, sellers were trying to push down, but ultimately buyers came up and pushed the price towards upside. So from lower level, there is a buying interested, buying is there from the price behavior, which we can understand. Okay, so where is the price? Somewhere around 38, 190, 200. So we need to check what is the price. Few session back, what was the price behavior? Around 38, 200. Let me open this on a 30-minute so I can get a clue here. Okay. If you are seeing here, same price 38, 160, right? Last time when price approached the same zone, price exhausted, fall, pullback, fall, right? So there is an aggressive zone of fall. Last time when price approached 38, 160, 38, 200 ka levels, which we need to remember. So higher level, there is a selling pressure which can come into picture. Again, everything is probability which can come. Let's understand the word which I am speaking, which can come. I'm not telling it will come. Okay, along with that, we have this I also. What is this? This is previous day ka I. This is 2 days back ka I. So multiple reference level in a tight range. So very simple, straightforward information. Until price inside trading inside this range, it's a no trade zone. Immediate information, if more the time price is trading around this two reference levels, 2 days back ka high and previous day ka high, that is an direct information of no trade zone. So initially on the first few minutes of market opening, we have one thing is very clear, that is the no trade zone. Okay, so now we need to understand, let's do a playback in understanding what is the price behavior and how we are connecting the dots with the help of price to execute trades. Okay, yes, we need to mark the previous weekly high and weekly low. Definitely we have to mark. I'll be marking it. But first here we are getting a clue. It's a no trade kind of a scenario zone. So 4th of August, that means 1 week before is 25th to 29th. Okay, 25th to 29, what was the high and low? So low is very far away and weekly high is 29th. 29th high is somewhere here. Okay, or even I will move this 29th high is somewhere here. So price is way far away from the weekly high. Okay, as this is the weekly high, price is way far away from the weekly high. So there is no weekly high, weekly low reference level, but what we have is this reference level. 2 days back wala untested high and previous day ka high, both the levels are there. Let's run the chart in an 100x speed. Okay, let me zoom here. So what's happening here? What is happening here? Market opened above the previous day's high. Markets opened above the previous day wala high, right? Previous day ka high, and this is 2 days back ka high. So price is trying to reject, getting an rejection from the 2 days back ka high, and we have previous day ka high, which we need to remember, because just because price is rejecting from the 2 days back ka high and closing below VWAP, I am not going any aggressive short side trade. Okay, I'm not going any aggressive short side trade. Remember, this is the zone from which price came down, fine enough, but there are lower level buyers also. Okay, that means lower level buyers and higher level ka sellers, price is stuck in between the zone, and price is stuck in between this 2 days ka range. So there is a possibility from this previous days high buyers can come. We can't guarantee tell us buyers will not come. They can come into the picture. For that we need to wait and understand. Okay, let's play the chart. Let's see what happens. Price is again trying to approach VWAP. Price is again trying to approach this previous day wala 2 days back ka high. Right, nothing to be in an urgent, as the charts are running on an 100x speed. Now this is becomes very important. Now this is very important. Now, are we getting any clue from the chart? Yes or no? That we'll be understanding right now. First of all, higher levels, price getting a rejection, and with further high above this level, we know there is a seller's aggressive interested zone. Okay, which just few minutes back we have checked on a 30-minute time frame wala chart. Okay, now weakness is from the buyers. They are failing to push the price above 2 days back wala high. First information we are getting. Okay, first information we are getting is the weakness from the buyers. Okay, and price came down, fine enough, approaching the previous day wala high. There is a possibility at the reference level previous days high, price can reject, buyers can come. Okay, buyers came into picture immediately. Can you see this? What is happening? Price trying to move up, immediately it is reversing back down. Immediately it's reversing back down. Now it's clearly coming below previous day ka low, sorry, previous day ka high. So now what is happening? Here buyers are getting weaker. In the next attempt on the upside, also buyers are getting weaker. Now this time they are not even ready to cross the 2 days back wala high. They are struggling to cross the 2 days back wala high, and price is again coming back to VWAP, below previous day ka high, right? And this time one more attempt made from buyers, and one more time price is trying to reject. One more attempt made from the buyers, and one more time again price is trying to reject. Okay, and to be honest, I don't look at any kind of patterns like double top, triple top, double bottom. Sorry for it, sir. One Pranab sir is told about sir double top हुआ है. To be honest, sir, double top, triple top, ये pattern कुछ मैं नहीं देखता हूँ ज़्यादा intraday trading के लिए. So what is the clue here? Are we getting two clues? One, buyers are getting weaker. Again, one more attempt, buyers are getting weaker. One more attempt, buyers are getting weaker. At which location? Higher level sellers zone. At reference level, they are getting weaker. 2 days back wala high, VWAP rejection, buyers are failing. Again here one more attempt around previous days high, buyers are failing. Last time from the previous days, buyers were even went to VWAP, but this time immediately trying to reverse. So what will be my plan? All the clues are telling what? All the clues are telling what? Are the buyers are weak or not? Yes or no? Are the buyers are weak or not? Yes or no? Because finding who is strong is difficult, but who is weak is easy. I repeat, in a price action concept, finding who is strong is always not easy. It's difficult, but finding who is weak is always higher. The probability it becomes easy. So now I'll be taking my short side trade below this. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. I'll be taking a short side trade below this candle low because price is rejecting clearly. Now, where should I place my stop loss? Biggest question. Can I place stop loss exactly above this? Can I place stop loss exactly above the marked zone? Yes or no? Can anyone tell me? I know where I will be placing my stop loss, but I want answer from you. Yes or no? Can I place stop loss above the marked zone? Let's understand. We'll get a different answers. If you are getting yes, if you are telling no, that is what I told. You will get a different answers. Okay, if you are telling we can place stop loss above the VWAP, no, I'll be placing stop loss above this candles. Why? I will tell you the reason. First of all, definitely I will not place above this. Okay, definitely no, because it's a very just because I'm getting smaller stop loss I can't place, because before a down move, a small whips up move, I'll be getting trapped. Okay, and one more possibility, if price comes back to VWAP, I'll be getting trapped because there are lower levels buyers are also there. They might come for a defend. We can't tell they will not come. They might come for a defend. Okay, we are entering trade below this. Buyers can come at lower levels, but remember we are entering below this, right? So anywhere till this point we might be in a safer mode, probably 80-100 points aggressively immediately at the tick. They will not come in the zone. They might come like pull back up, right here. This is the pullback, nearest pullback zone. Buyers can come from this point, but till that point we have a cushion, right? Till that point there is no much disturbance which is available, like probably from our entry point, probably and 130 150 points or even 170 points, there is no major disturbance because pullback rejection. So buyers can come here in this territory only. So no major disturbance. But if buyers come from here, they will try to reverse the price near and around VWAP. If I place exactly around and above VWAP, there is a probability of getting trapped. So I will be placing stop loss above this. My entry is here. Above this, I am placing my stop loss. So kitna risk? How much risk I am taking? Entry is somewhere below 38,080 and the stop loss is 38,215. So I am taking a risk of 140 points. The main reason placing the stop loss not above this candle and not exactly above VWAP is, remember, price is going inside yesterday's range. So if buyers trying to come and defend, either they will easily, even a VIPSA 80-100 points VIPSA, if I place stop loss here, I'll be getting trapped exactly above VWAP. There is a VIPSA can even tip out my stop loss. So nearest probability is where from which the price failed. Here price failed, second time price failed here. Better to place a stop loss at here from where the price failed because lower level buyers are there. Okay, with understanding, keeping in mind lower level buyers are there. Okay, one more question on average, how many points SL should be considered? Sir, there is no average point, there is no average rule of stop loss placing. If my stop loss is more than 170 points, 200 points kind of a scenario, I'll be avoiding taking the trade on Bank Nifty. So let's run the chart, let's understand what happened. So before that, 140 points is my risk, right? So on calculator, 140 points into 1:1.5, 210 points. 140 points into 1:2 risk reward, 280 points, right? So I'm entering below 38,080 levels. So 210 points where I'm getting 1:1.5, 38,080 levels minus 210 points. That means I'm getting around 37,870. Somewhere here I'm getting 1:1.5 risk reward, and somewhere at 37,800 I'm getting 1:2 ka risk reward. I'm getting 1:2 here, 1:1.5 ka risk reward here. Okay, sorry. 1:1.5 I'm getting here. So now let's understand how the price is reacting, what is the behavior, everything. Let me play the chart in 100x speed. Also remember, if we are in the trade, it's not like we need to exactly wait till target. If price is not behaving as expected, we can also come out of the position. Let's understand first. But always remember what I do, minimum until 1:1 is not tagging, I am not moving my stop loss anywhere. That means 38,080 below which I'm entering my trades, right? So 140 points is my 1:1 risk reward which I am getting. At what levels? 37,940. Until price is not coming here, 37,940, I am not even bothered to move or trial my stop loss even at cost. Okay. So in option, how I'll be entering, sir? In future, the levels are fine. 38,080 ka levels. That is fine. In option, how I'll be entering if I'm doing option buying or option selling. So nearest ATM is 38,100, right? So if I want to do an option buying, I'll be entering, better to focus on 38,200 or 300 ka put option. If I want to plan a buy side trade, if I'm doing option directional selling, I'll be choosing 3800 ka call option to take a short side trade. This is the option simple approach of choosing. So let's see. Let me play this chart and let's understand what happens. I'm playing it in an 100x speed. Nothing to be in an urgent. Simply will understand what is happening. Let me pause the screen for a minute. Here there was one attempt from buyers to push up, again trying to come down. So this is previous day ka low. Until price is not closing above previous day ka low, I'll be sticking in the short side trade without any disturbance. Okay, even from this point I'm telling you. Okay, I will tell you the logic why and all, but let's first check what's happening on this trade. Okay, everything got errors. Sorry. Okay, so let's see what happens. Look at this, just a straightforward down, which is coming into picture. So here, once 1:1 tagged, I will trial my SL at cost. 1:1.5 level is there. Here, price is easily crossing the 1:1.5. That means I will wait for my 1:2 ka target. If price started roaming around 1:1.5, then I'll have to think what need to be done, whether can I book my profit or not. Okay, but here it's easily crossing. So, aram se 1:2 somewhere coming around below this level, 37,790. 140 points ka risk I have taken, 280 points ka reward is the 1:2. Here, when the price, here look at this pullback rejection. At this juncture, if the buyers were coming, they will show some any bullish candle. Nothing is happening. Price is easily crossing. When it is easily crossing, I'll be aram se waiting for that 1:2 ka risk reward, right? Let's see. So look at this. Look at this. This is somewhere 1:2 ka risk reward below this candle low. So I have got my 1:2 ka risk reward. So this initial trade, I am booking my profits. 280 points ka profits. Okay. So what are the clues? Yeah, I'm trying to get a clue of what? In the start of the session, I have told one thing. Buyers versus sellers. As a price action trader, if you are into price action trading, the main job is to check buyers and sellers. And even on the slide, I have mentioned one thing, that what? Data points to check from the chart is the failure and exhaustion. Both are almost same, but can you understand? Same thing I am trying to do. Yes, very simple. Failing and waiting and finding who is weaker around reference level is the important job, sir. Right? I'm just doing everything around reference level. Nah? I'm not going somewhere out of the mark. Can you understand? Yes? No? Now already in the those who are in the session, okay, Ashish sir is telling you as you have made it so simple. Is it that simple? Sir, trading is simple, sir. What we do now, our mind make it more complicated. Okay. So यहाँ पे for the past 2 hours, what we are doing? I am just roaming around only few things. I'm just completely doing only the few basic approach of the market. What? I will tell you. I want to understand how to take trades. Sir, I have practically shown you now when to trade, how I am taking trades, everything, how much risk to reward I'm checking the zone, I'm checking the level, I'm checking who's getting weaker, stronger, everything, right? So now, let's quickly understand what I have been doing for the past 2 hours, right? I'm not making any summarize here, but what are the things I'm checking? I'm checking data from chart by marking the reference level. Very simple. And then during market, I'm checking the open. Where is the open? Open of price and where is the price? Okay, in comparing to the previous trading sessions or any other untested zone, I'm checking, right? Data from the chart for price. Where is the price? Okay, Arsh Jain sir, I think you have joined the session late, yes or no? Because you are asking a question, reference level includes means what? That is what I'm asking. Opening of the price, where is the price? Location. Location of the price. Simple things. And before taking a trade, what I am doing? I am checking what retail traders are doing. Have they got trapped? Simple funda, simple process. This is the simple thing I'm doing with various chart example of making a playback. Okay, Ketul sir is asking, sir, explain how to take trades in daily time frame. So to be honest, this is a session purely for intraday traders, so I will not deviate my topic to any other time frame. Sorry for it. Okay, we appreciate your question you have asked, but this session is more on towards intraday, so I'm not deviating anywhere. Okay, Pranav, what is reference level? Very simple, sir. There are various way of getting reference level, but to make it more simple on price action, I am choosing only the reference level previous day's high, previous day's low, weekly high, weekly low. That's it. I'm again repeating, there are various reference level available, but to make it more simple on the initial stage of the price action session, I'm doing it using only those limited reference levels. Okay, let's choose one more date. Any dates? Let me know any dates. Again, I'm getting many dates. Great to know. But again, I'm repeating user. I will just randomly pick one dates from the chart. Same concept applicable on Nifty, same applicable on the stocks everywhere. Okay, when I see about weekly reference level, very simple, sir. Let's say price is trading around 26th of August. Okay, that means 1 week before, Monday to Friday. Just because weekly expiry is from Friday to Thursday, don't check that. Check 15th to 19th, that is weekly. If I am choosing a date of 26, 1 week before, Monday to Friday. Okay, it's 16th June. To trade many have asked, so let's take 16th June. I will have a data of it. 16th June, Thursday, weekly expiry. Okay. I could see most traders like weekly expiry. To be honest, 16th June, right? I need to check where is the price. Okay, right. 16th June is here. Sunil sir is telling once due in 15 minutes, sir. 15 minutes, I personally not use much, sir. I use on 5 minutes. Yes, in terms of position sizing, yes, I'll be coming up after explaining this example. I will go on towards position sizing and risk management also. Okay. Sir, which software is this? Is Ninja Trader software, sir. Okay. So let's take 16th June. Sir, very interesting. This I think, sir, it's not a free software. You have to buy data. Software is free, Ninja Trader, but you have to buy data to get the charts monthly on month basis. Okay. If you just want to see the candlesticks, no point in wasting your money in buying the data and all. Okay. If you want to only see candlesticks. Now, let's go on to the 16th June. What is the thing we need to check? First mark, previous day high, previous day wala low. Okay. And for the information, yes, live sessions, trade management, risk management, position sizing, I'll be explaining. Okay, this is the VWAP which has been added. For your information, live market session, which I've been doing on all trading sessions. So tomorrow's live market session, the link will be shared on the Telegram channel, and tomorrow's live market session will be on by afternoon 12:30. Okay. Link will be shared on Twitter and Telegram also. Okay. Yes, you can use any charting platform, sir. It's not like I'm using Ninja Trader, means you go jump and buy data, sir. Candlesticks ही देखना है. You can use anything. Trading view is fine. Your broker terminal itself is fine, sir. Don't pay any money to just look candlestick charts. Okay, 15th, 16th June dates has been taken. Thursday, 1 week before is 6th to 10th. What is the high and low of weekly 6th to 10th? Sir, very far away. This is weekly low. So price is very far away from weekly low range. So in no reference level will come near to this weekly kind of a scenario. Apurv sir is asking, Apurv is asking, can we see VWAP video by any chance or maybe some notes? Sir, VWAP session done last week. As of now, no plan to share recording, but then let's see, next few days I will try to share the recordings if possible on VWAP. Okay, so let's understand what is the price behavior, price where it is trading. It is trading around 33,730 is the level. Okay, 33,730 ka levels. So let's understand last time when price approached the zone, what happened. So this big candle which you could see, this is free candle. Sorry, this is not a full candle formation, it's a free candle. So other than that, we need to check on 30-minute ka time frame. Right, for 16th July. Just a minute. Okay, so this is a free candle. It's not a full volume candle, it's a free candle. The order has not been placed. And around 33,730 levels, we have won this high here, and after that, we have what? Aggressive buyers zone. Okay. Aggressive buyers zone is there at higher level, which we need to remember. So let's understand what's happening on the price, and we have this 2 days wala high here. On higher level, there are buyers zone, which is very obviously visible. Okay, let's make a chart replay. Let's load the chart in 100x speed and understanding what's happening with higher levels, knowing there is an zone of sellers. But with this reference level is also there, which we need to give importance. Okay, so here price is trying to straight away drop down. Should I need to chase and enter? 101%. I'm not ready to chase the market in entering any aggressive trades. Price is moving down. So far, what is the information we have? So far, what is the information we have? Higher levels beyond this 2 days wala high, buyers are not comfortable. Price is not even clearly closing above VWAP and trying to reject back, come inside the zone where we have previous day wala high and 2 days back wala high. So this zone is a no trade zone, or we have to wait and trade wala zone. Better word is to wait and trade wala zone. Okay. So weakness is from the buyers from the upside, right? Price is reversing back below VWAP, trading below VWAP. And here, what is this? This is a price fall down, sellers interested, sellers zone. Here, price fall down, sellers ka zone, right? So higher level weakness from sellers, sorry, weakness from buyers, and lower level we have this sellers interested zone. Let's see, let's understand. Why I'm waiting here is always because we have previous day high here, right? From this previous DI, there is a possibility, there is a chance buyers can come. And not, we can't tell they will not come, they can come. Let's understand. If it is straight away dragging down, no problem. I'm not in an urgent to execute any trades. Okay, I will pause the screen here. What's happening here? Higher levels, buyers have failed. Price came below VWAP, started trading below it. Again, trying to go below this previous day's high. One up move, and we are trying to get a rejection immediately. How speed is the rejection? Try to understand. Just zooming here to make you clarify. Okay, price is trying to move up, immediately reversing back towards downside. Immediately trying to reach back down. So why I was not much aggressive here when the price was trying to reject here? Why I was not aggressive here? And why I'm trying to focus here is always because here there was one confirmation weakness from the buyers and price straight away dipped down. Do we have any other confirmation buyers are weaker? No, right? And we have a reference level here. When price is somewhere trading here, if we want to enter a short side trade, remember in next 70-80 points we have previous day's high. We can never tell from this the buyers will not come. They can come. If they are coming, our trade is under danger. Right now, when the price is trying to move down and closing above the previous day high, but immediately trying to reverse back. So this I'll be using as my opportunity. And where is the price here? It's a clean sellers, so nothing much disturbance is there. So I'll be planning my short side trade below this, placing stop loss above this. First, let's see the order gets executed or not. Yes, look at this. So as I mentioned, I'll be taking a short side trade below this because price is giving an aggressive rejection from this point of this reference level, and below this there is no major disturbance. Aggressively priced from this point also came towards downside. So what is my risk on this trade? 38,560 below. I am entering 38,630. So I am taking a risk of 70 points. Always what I do now, if I'm getting a risk of 70 points, I shift the risk myself to 90 points. 70 points becomes so small, sir. Any quick spike up, it becomes a problem for us. So I will make it into 90 points, my risk. Entering below 33,560. 565 is the low, 510 points buffer, 33,560. So for an option perspective, what strike price I will be choosing? 33,560 is the price. So nearest ATM is 33,600. So if I want to do option buying, I'll be choosing what? 33,700 or 33,800 put option, 1-2 strike price away. And if I want to plan an option selling directional, I'll be choosing 33,600 key call option shorting. Future, obviously we can enter aram se here itself. Let's understand. So now what is my job here? Very simple. I want to look at 1:1.5. What is the level? 1:1, what is the level? And 1:2, what is the level? 33,560 below, I've entered the trade. 90 points is my risk. So what is my 1:1 coming around? 33,470. Okay, I'll be marking everything 1:1, 1:1.5, 1:2, everything. 33,470. I'm getting 1:1. 1:1. Just I'm marking it. Okay. 1:1.5, where I'm getting 135 points. Risk I've taken is 90 points. 135 points means 430. Okay. 430, 1:1.5. 1:2 means 180 points. I'm entering below what levels? 560. 180 points matlab 560, 460, 380. Why I'm marking this, I will let you know. 380. Where is 380 levels? Just somewhere coming around here. So aram se let's understand. So minimum simple funda. Until 1:1 is not tagging, I'm not disturbing this trade. Okay. Minimum not disturbing anything here. Let's understand. Where I will be more into caution. If price again close above the previous day wala high, I need to be caution. Till that time, no much disturbance, nothing, because here the aggressive down is there. Price is clearly below the previous day wala high. Let's understand. Here, can you see what is happening? One more attempt from the buyers, but it is again failing back. Let's see. Again, I repeat dates. You one of the participants from this session has told the date, right? I'm not randomly choosing any dates, and I'm not doing any aftermarket. This one, everything is practical in front of you. Can you see this? What I'm getting here, I'm getting 1:1.5 at this point, right? Price tag 1:1.5 at this juncture. Where is the price location? Can you see this congestion consolidation? Why price goes into consolidate? Lower level buyers, higher level sellers are there. So there might be a disturbance which can come in. So here at this juncture, what I'll be doing at 1:1.5 risk reward, which is tagged here, I'll be booking my 50% of my profits, and rest I will trial SL at my entry cost and wait for 1:2 for the rest 50% quantity. Why? This is 1 hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour congestion. Why price goes into consolidation? Higher level sellers, obvious, but lower level buyers are also there, which we need to remember. So be flexible as per the chart convenience. Already I booked my 1:50% profits. Here, that's it. Done. Here, I have done booking my full profits around 1:2. So here, getting clue from the chart, looking at the zone is आराम से यहाँ पे sellers है, कोई disturb करने के लिए नहीं है. And price was consolidating here. I need to only rethink if price comes and trades above this previous day's high. Till that, no disturbance. Reference level is here, reacting around reference level, waiting for the target to get triggered, and that's it. It's a wait and trade before the trade, wait and trade during the trade. That will be rewarding you. Because once we are in the trade, we need to also remember when we should rethink on this trade. When price was consolidating here, my rethink point was here. Around the previous day, wala if price crosses, then I need to rethink on this trade. Till then, aram se relax karo, let the market do whatever it wants. Don't be disturb the price. Okay, one question is price is moving further down. Why can't we wait? Do we know price will further move down? Because as this date is complete, you have chart in front of me. But this is what? Chart replay. This is at this stage in the live market. Do we know price will fall further down? Yes or no? During live market, not now. With the chart is done. Right, during live market, do we know price will fall further down? No, right? Once my target is done, I'm happy to book the profits. And even from here, price straight away in 10 minutes further going down 200, 300 points, I don't bother. Okay, I don't bother. No one knows, right? This is what practical. Same way, if I want to, let's say, I will do this. Opening this chart. Sir, price was moving up, sir. Let's say any other date, same 16th June, I will take a date. Now this is after market chart, which most traders, even on paid course, easily trap traders by showing only the chart which is working, right? Okay, so can you see here after the market, we know here, sir, further prices fall. At this point, we have booked profit, right? Sir, further price was falling down, but during live market, we have no idea, right? Because if I want to give aftermarket postmodern chart means I could sell, we could take a short side trade somewhere here, sir, and we could wait it till 3:15 means we could make super profit, sir. These are all storytellings. Okay, this is practical, which is in front of you, the playback, which is the live decision making. This is practical. Target done, book your profit. No one knows in next 10 minutes what will happen. Okay. This is reality. Don't be on the dream. I have marked two zones because this is 2 days back wala high. Price was here. That is why I marked this is previous day wala high. Yes, this is what chart replay is always an alternative for the live markets. After market, anyone can tell anything, but in practical, this chart replay, I can't hide anything, right? I can never hide anything. Which is there, it is there. It is in front of your screen. I'm playing the chart in front of you, dates. You are telling, I'm not telling any dates, right? Sir, make it simple, sir. Okay. Time is almost 2.5 hours is done. No fancy indicators, sir. Make trading simple. I repeat again, make trading simple. Okay, you can share your valuable feedbacks. Okay, just a minute. I will pause my screen. I'm just pausing my screen for a minute. Okay, you can share the valuable feedback on the tweet which I have shared, because your feedback, I could see traders are sharing their feedbacks in the chat box. You can please do share all your feedbacks on this link which I have shared on the Telegram channel also, and also here. Okay, because more the feedbacks, it can be good or bad, sir. I'm not telling you should share only good feedback. It can be good or bad, but share your feedbacks. I'm ready to accept good or bad. Okay, can share, everyone can share your feedbacks. Let's now quickly take questions, because let's take questions here. The session is planned till 3 hours. Okay, if I'm getting any further time, I'll be addressing one more examples. Before that, let's take questions. One great question I'm getting from Udit sir is okay. One great question from Udit sir. Hello sir, I ask you one thing humbly. Now FinTweet communities all selling courses, Telegram paid membership from DigiPay. Here you are teaching all free for us, even spending your valuable time with us without any monetary benefit. Can I ask you what inspired you to do this for us? Great question, sir. I will tell you, Udit sir. When I was new to the trading, okay, I was searching for the knowledge to gain. I have approached many traders on various social media platforms to guide me in a basic way. Everyone were in front of me, just sharing their courses, webinar session during initial days of my day. That is when I have understood, Udit sir, ki no one is ready to give a valuable, a knowledgeable, practical knowledge on a free. That made me to realize on the day that first I will be sharing maximum practical knowledge free sessions, contents, webinars to make traders from first stop losing money. Because in trading, most traders problem is they don't stop losing money. First, if you don't stop losing money, you can't make money in the market. So try to understand. Okay. VWAP setting is default, Sudhakar sir, nothing is changed. Okay. One great question, Logaraj sir, if stop loss hits, shall we take another trade or simply sit and watch? Sir, if SL gets triggered, next wait for the opportunity again. Okay, like whether wait for the multiple confirmation again, I'll be waiting it, and then I'll be taking my any other trades. Okay, how to understand the weekly marking high and low? Very simple, sir. Let's say any dates. Let's take any dates. Let's say I'm taking a date of 16th July. Can you see? I believe you can see the calendar. Yes, no? I believe you can see the calendar. In calendar, 16th, sorry, 16th June is Thursday, right? So 1 week before, jump 1 week before, that is 1 week before Monday to Friday. 6th to 10th is the previous week, Monday to Friday. So that is the weekly high and weekly low. That is the weekly high and weekly low for me. If you are more confused, I believe you will clear now. Okay, I'll be taking questions one by one. Ashish sir is asking, please share one chart when your SL got it, please. Sir, to be honest, dates, you have, one of your members have told the dates. Based on that, I have shown you how I will be taking the trade. Okay. There are days stop loss will also get triggered. Okay. Because if I am choosing 10 charts, after market charts, and just showing you, I can tell that where stop loss got triggered. But dates, traders have chosen based on the dates. So far, trades have given benefit only, and we have not taken trades few times, right? Ashish sir, clear? Because dates option was given to you, not me. Okay, Apur, one was noted, sir. Do you have any YouTube channel? Yes, I have YouTube channel, sir. There are videos also there, and also live market sessions will continue. Okay, link will be shared on the channel. And first of all, one more thing, sir, the temporary channel which was created, which you are part of it, is purely for this current session. Once this session completes, probably tomorrow I will delete the channel. So make sure everyone convert yourself to the channel link which I have shared on the Telegram. Temporary channel, you can convert yourself, everyone. Okay. Rakesh sir is telling, wonderful session. You are a good teacher. So humble you are. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, sir. Anand sir is asking, sir, did not understand the role of weekly high and weekly low as we only follow previous day high and low. So there was one example where I have shown weekly high and weekly low concept. I think you might have missed it. The same applies on weekly high and weekly low. So same, the way we are treating previous high and previous low, same way it should be treated on weekly high and weekly low. Yes, live market session will be on YouTube live. The link also has been shared on the Telegram channel, not in the temporary channel, but the channel link which I have shared where you can convert yourself. It is, appreciate your effort to save retail traders. Yes, sir, very simple. You can share all your feedbacks on the Twitter link which I have shared on the group and also here. Anand sir is telling, I'm eager to see one lost trade, sir. Simple, sir. Dates you have chosen, right? I have not chosen any dates. Okay. Okay, is this strategy works on mid-cap stocks as well or only in heavyweights? Sir, if you want to stock specific, focus on heavyweight, that's it. Please share the earlier videos for recording. Sir, as of now, no plan to share, but we'll try to share in next few days of the VWAP session recordings. Okay. First time somebody speak clear regarding price action. Thank you. What's your Neelesh sir is excited for next topic. What's your next topic? We'll be planning, sir. Next topic probably is planned on option buying. Let's see. Okay, sir is telling, should we see open interest data? Open interest data we can see. I'm not telling it should not be seen, but again, confusing multiple things creates problem again. Okay. One is position sizing and risk management. Yes, very simple. That's very important topic. Very simple, sir. In terms of risk management, don't risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade or on a single trading session. That's the risk management. Okay. Let's say you have a 5 lakh capital. So per day, your maximum loss should not cross 10,000. That is 2%. Based on that, you can take your trades. For example, if you are trading an option, I believe the screen is also visible. You are entering an option at 500 rupees and your stop loss is 450 rupees. Okay. So you have a 50 points stop loss per lot. So per lot, how much is your risk? 50 into 25 lot sizes, 1,250 rupees. Okay. So per lot, you can risk only 1,250 rupees, your maximum loss per trade. That means on a day, if you are getting only one trade a day, that means you have 5 lakh capital, maximum loss you can take is 10,000. So one per lot, the loss is 1250, right? Per lot, the loss is 1250. The maximum loss you can take is 10,000. Let's say on a day you might get 2 trades per day on an average. That means you have to segregate your risk. You have to segregate your risk in such a way that I'll use a whiteboard in explaining. This is slightly overlapping each other. Okay. So very simple funda in terms of this one's a risk management. Whatever may be your capital, you should not risk more than 2% of your capital per trading session. Your maximum loss on the day should not breach more than 2% of your capital. This is not conservative, it's a real risk management per trading session. That means, let's say you have 5 lakh capital. Okay. So your maximum loss kitna hai, your maximum loss is 10,000, right? So let's say you are taking a trade on a day, you get 2 trades. Average में 2 trades you are getting. It might be 3, 1, but average में you are getting 2 trades as per the system or strategy, whatever you are following. So now you need to divide your risk per trade. Maximum loss is 2%. So divide your risk, that is for 2 trades, 5,000 rupees on each trades. This is a conservative risk management. This will work really first to stop losing money. So let's say you are taking an option buying trade, whose trade you are entering at 500 rupees. Your stop loss is 450, 50 points ka risk. So for one trade, the risk is 1250. Per lot, your risk is 1250. So maximum loss you can take 5,000. That means how much lot? It's better to take a trade. 4 lots. Into 4 will come 5,000. So maximum on a trade you can go with 4 lots with the 5 lakh capital. You might think, sir, I have 5 lakh capital, sir. I can even trade 50 lots here, sir. Because you have capital, don't do that kind of trading. Many traders have a problem. Sir, I have 10 lakhs in capital, 5 lakh in account, 2 lakh in account. I can trade 20 lot, 30 lot if my stop loss is only 50 points because I have margin. To buy this one lot at 500 rupees, it will ask you somewhere around 12,500. Sir, I have 5 lakh capital, sir. I can buy 30 lots, 40 lots, sir, because you don't do the trading. Manage your loss, because remember, in trading, only thing which is controllable in our hand is loss we can control. Once we enter a trade, there is no such control we can do that this trade we can make profit only. There is nothing we can control, but loss only we can control. So better to focus on the things which can be controlled. That will help you a lot. I repeat this, write it down in a golden letter. Focus on the things which can be controlled. It can be trading, or it can be your career, it can be your life. Everything applies the same. In trading, only the loss we can control. So control the loss. Funda simple. Okay.